So the question is, draw the structure of the following molecules by using the Sapir model. Okay. So first is BRF5. By using the Sapir model, we will draw the structure. So method is that this is the central atom, and how many valence electrons are there? 7 plus monovalent 5 pi 2, get a 6. Bond pair 5, lone pair 1. The geometry of the molecule is, because total number of electron pair are 6, so geometry is octahedral. The shape is, will draw BR square planar, and here we have a lone pair. Square pyramidal is the shape. Second is arsenic. Arsenic is a member of nitrogen family. So how many valence electrons are there? 5. Plus fluorine is monovalent, 5 by 2, 5. Bond pair 5, lone pair 0. It is regular geometry. The geometry of the molecule will be trigonal, bipyramidal. Shape will be arsenic. 3 fluorine in the triangle form, they are in one plane. Okay, these 3 fluorines, they are in one plane. So one fluorine above the plane and one below the plane. Shape is also trigonal bipyramidal. This is regular geometry. Okay, third is BF3. Boron has valence electron 3, 3 monovalent added plus 3 by 2, 3. Bond pair 3, lone pair 0. So 3 means the geometry of the molecule is trigonal planar. Shape BF. This is also regular geometry. So bond angle 120. So this is trigonal planar. Okay. Next, iodine has valence electron 7. It is halogen. Plus chlorine is monovalent. Plus there is one negative charge. Divide by 2, get 5. Number of bond pair 2. Lone pair 3. What will be the geometry? If it is 5, geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Then what will be the shape? I. Lone pair 3, they will be in the equatorial position like this. 1 Cl above, 1 Cl below. Okay. So these are the lone pairs. And don't forget to write here the negative charge. This is anion. So what is the shape of the molecule? Shape is linear. Geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Okay. Next come to H2S and XCO3. Okay. H2S sulfur is the central atom, just like water. It has 6 electrons plus 2 monovalent added attached to it. So we get a 4. What is the geometry? That is tetrahedral. Out of 4, bond pairs are 2. Lone pairs are also 2. So, just like water, we have a 2 lone pair like this and 2 bond pair like this. Shape is bend or V shape. Then is xenon. Xenon has valence electron 8 plus oxygen is bivalent. We will take 0 for bivalent. Divide by 2 is 4. 4 means how many bond pair now? 3. Lone pair is 1. Just like ammonia. Geometry is tetrahedral. Shape is xenon, 1 lone pair. 1, 2, 3. So what is shape? Shape is pyramidal, just like ammonia. Okay, ClO4. Cl has 7 electron, oxygen is 0, there is 1 negative charge. So we have 4. Bond pair 4, lone pair 0. This is a regular geometry. Geometry and shape, both tetrahedral. How to draw the structure? Cl, O, O, O. Put negative here. You can put a negative anywhere, on any oxygen, but that oxygen must have a single bond. SF4. Sulfur has 6 valence electron, 6 SF6 sorry, and 6 monovalent. Divided by 2, 6. So geometry is octahedral. Bond pair 6, lone pair 0. So shape is also octahedral. So you can draw this 1F, 4F in the scale form, equatorial, 1 above, 1 below. All bond angle 90 degree. XeF2. Xenon has 8, F2 divided by 2, 5. What is the geometry? Trigonal, bipyramidal. How many bond pairs? Only 2. How many lone pairs? 3. So when you draw the structure, put lone pair on equatorial position. 1F above, 1F below. And the shape become linear. Last, xenon 8 plus oxygen is divalent taken as 0, 4. Bond pair 4, lone pair 0. So geometry and shape both are tetrahedral. So xenon here 1, 2, 3, 4, just like methane. So this is about the structure based on the Cepheid model. Next is SiCl4, silicon tetrachloride. So silicon has valence electron 4, carbon family में से है, plus monovalent 4, divided by 2, 4. बॉन्ड पेयर भी इसके 4 है और लोन पेयर इसकी 0। तो ज्योमेट्री क्या हो जाएगी 4 की टेट्राहेड्रल, शेप इज आल्सो टेट्राहेड्रल। सो SI एट द सेंटर, तो बॉन्ड एंगल इज 109 डिग्री 28 मिनट्स। कार्बोनेट आयन कार्बन, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 4 प्लस ऑक्सीजन इज डाइवेलेंट टेकन एज 0 प्लस माइनस 2 है जो उसका प्लस, डिवाइड बाय 2 3। ज्योमेट्री ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर, बॉन्ड पेयर 3, लोन पेयर 0, रेगुलर ज्योमेट्री। तो कार्बोनेट आउट ऑफ 3 CO बॉन्ड 2 विल बी सिंगल, जो सिंगल होंगे उनके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज। दिस इज द शेप ऑफ CO3 कार्बोनेट आयन। देन PCl PH3 PH3 phosphorus is the central atom, valence electron 5 plus 3 by 2 4, bond pair 4, lone pair 0, geometry tetrahedral, sorry lone pair, bond pair 3 H3 है तो lone pair 1, geometry tetrahedral, shape pyramid or pyramidal, just like ammonia. SF4 sulfur has valence electron 6 plus 4 by 2 5, geometry trigonal bipyramidal, bond pair 4, lone pair 1. Put the lone pair on equatorial position. Put lone pair like this. So it become a seesaw shape. Last, xenon XeO2F2. Now xenon has valence electron 8 plus oxygen divalent 0, fluorine monovalent 2, so we get 5. Geometry TB trigonal bipyramidal, lone pair bond pair 4, 2 oxygen 2 fluorine, so lone pair 1. So here is a xenon, either put the fluorine above and below, lone pair this side, or put oxygen like this, make the symmetry, either put the oxygen above and below and put the fluorine on the equatorial position, both are same. Then is the BeCl2, the valence electron in Be is 2 plus 2 by 2 is 2. 2 means linear, bond pair 2, lone pair is 0. So simple structure of BeCl2 is linear 180 degree angle. OF2 में oxygen is the adjacent central atom, by 2 is 4. 4 means geometry is tetrahedral. Bond pair 2, lone pair 2, just like water. Bent. Then is the ozone, O3. Now ozone can be written like this, O2. Out of 3 oxygen, one is central. This oxygen is central, having valence electron 6 plus divalent 0, by 2 3. Bond pair 2, lone pair 1. geometry trigonal planar, like oxygen, this side oxygen, this side oxygen, here is lone pair. So you can write one double bond to balance the formal charge. So this is the, so according to Lewis dot structure ने कैसे ड्रॉ किया था, ऐसे 4 2 6, this is -1, this is +1, this is 0. So the shape पता चलती है सैपर मॉडल से. So it is bend shape. Okay, next is nitrate ion, NO3 negative ion. Now take the नाइट्रोजन एज अ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 5 प्लस ऑक्सीजन मोनोवेलेंट माइनस का 1 आ गया तो ये 3. अब इसमें बॉन्ड पेयर भी 3 है, लोन पेयर 0. ज्योमेट्री हो जाएगी ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर. सो N O O O. आउट ऑफ 3 ऑक्सीजन 1 इज नेगेटिव. इट मीन्स कोई दो को क्या कर दो डबल बॉन्ड. बिकॉज व्हेन ऑक्सीजन गेट अ डबल बॉन्ड इट्स फॉर्मल चार्ज बिकम 0. व्हेन ऑक्सीजन हैज अ you can say single bond is negative charge. So this is trigonal planar geometry. Sulfate ion, last. SO4 2 negative, sulfur valence electron 6, oxygen 0, adding 2 become 4. Geometry tetrahedral, bond pair 4, lone pair 0, regular geometry. Now S O O O O. Out of 4 oxygen 2 are negative. So put any on any oxygen, any 2 oxygen put negative and other double bond. So when you draw the structure with the help of separate that Lewis dot structure or Lewis dot model, so you just draw the skeleton like this and you put the bond pair here like this. So like in this case if you draw, what will be the A? Valence electron of sulfur 6, valence electron of oxygen also 6, 6 into 4 plus 2. So total number of available electrons become 32. Okay, what is N? N is needed electron. So all the 5 atoms, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen, they require 8. So total become 40 and shared become 8, unshared become 26, 24. So you just draw the skeleton in a space. You don't know where the oxygen will go. The shape of the molecule is given by this theory. Without this theory you can't predict the shape, and by applying this formula you can't predict the shape, whether it is tetrahedral or triad. At the level of Lewis dot structure, we just draw the skeleton in the air and put the bond pair, like 8 are bond pairs, so 8 are there, then there are 6, like this we have like structure. All the oxygen here is -1 and sulfur get a +2, so overall charge is -2. But in this case we put a double bond here, 2 oxygen. If the 2 oxygen become double bond, then the octet of sulfur that will increase. Now in this molecule sulfur has about how many electron around it? 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 electron. That is violating the octet rule. That's why Lewis dot structure is like this. So you can draw like structure like this, because in the Sapir model we have to predict the shape of the molecule, not too much concentration on the bond or valence or octet rule. Okay.